Wow, that's pretty. Initial forecast predictions are in for the 2018 Atlantic hurricane season. Colorado State University released their first season prediction, calling for a slightly above average season. They anticipate 14 named tropical systems, with 7 of those becoming hurricanes and 3 reaching major hurricane strength.
Leave before the lava traps you. That's what officials are telling residents living on Hawaii's Big Island. A river of lava continues to flow over parts of the island, destroying and damaging dozens of structures.
A neighborhood in central Florida suddenly looks like the cratered lunar landscape. Sinkholes are opening up and forcing families from their homes. Manuel Bajorquez says the problem is underground.
You mentioned earlier that you're a pilot.
Yeah.
Talk about chemtrails. We hear a lot about that. What are those, and are they for real?
Well, when you look into that and ask questions, they say, oh yeah, contrails. No, contrails are behind a jet. If you see a jet flying very high, the stripe, the condensed stripe behind it. But you see a jet airplane going, it's not only one, they have 4 condensed stripes behind them.
All over San Diego, from East County to the South Bay. Maybe you heard it. Even residents as far west as downtown and Point Loma heard that big boom. They also reported feeling kind of a rumbling noise. As of now, the source of the booming sound and the movement is not known, but some people might have thought it was an earthquake, others perhaps a sonic boom.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Andrew here with Skarak Truther. Welcome back to another video. Folks, there's a lot to talk about today, as always, and today I have major news and some opinions I would like to give out in this video. Of course, I like to talk about a lot about the weather and a lot about what's going on in the sky, obviously, anomalies, chemtrailing, HAARP. But today I want to talk about a common phenomenon that has been going on for many years already, and it's still going on to this day. And that is the strange noises in the sky, folks. I want to give out my own opinion and what may actually be causing these things. As we all know, we have seen a lot of footage of these strange sounds, right?
People heard and felt a loud noise around 12:30 Central Time this afternoon. News Channel 7's Tyler Allender joins us live in the studio. And Tyler, is any word on what it was?
Now, we all know how this works, how the government is, of course, hiding so many things from us and, of course, communicating with their symbology and symbols and stuff. But this is how it works, folks. People have been reporting that they've been hearing strange noises, right, in different parts of the world. They've also been hearing that strange booms, although there was no evidence or sight of any explosion of any kind. And it also, of course, they're just explosions, right? That could be coming from the sky, like sonic booms. You know, and this all leads back to the underground tunnels that the government may indeed be building. As, again, residents in different places have heard and felt the strange booms and the strange sounds, of course, in the sky. And, of course, again, the interesting thing is that they felt it. You know, they feel something, they have felt something, like a rumbling noise, or, you know, like some kind of like a shake, like if it was an earthquake. Could they actually be building tunnels? Because that would only really make sense if they really feel something underground.
Cape Coral News team, a big boom caused concern and confusion last night.
The loud noise actually rattled homes in parts of the Cape. We know a lot of people went on Facebook with questions about what happened. NBC2's Ben Henry has been looking into this today. Spoke with people who not only heard this, but felt it.
You what?
Wow, look at it turning. I don't know if it's showing it or not, but I can hear it. Yes, turn your
Is that birds or is that trash?
What?
Oh, that's blowing shit all over there. See that?
Where? No.
You don't see that shit flying above them trees?
No, honey. Oh, I do. Yes. Turn your damn wipers off, please.
I can't see it on my camera.
Oh my God! Look. Wow.
Wow, it's tearing something up over there.
I did not know it could do this. Look how far away.
It's coming lower now. Look at all that shit flying. It's hitting something.
You know, a lot of strange phenomenon, strange weather going on over the world. Hawaii is, of course, dealing with a volcano that is not stopping at all, and it's probably not willing to stop for a while. Hopefully, it will stop soon. And as I said in my past video, there was strange sounds in the sky before the eruption of the volcano in Hawaii, which is, of course, spectacle and could mean anything, honestly. It could have been maybe an earthquake. It could have been noises that maybe the government has been building tunnels, right? Noises of them building a tunnel underground that may have caused the volcano to erupt.
Sounds almost like a chauffeur.
Now, I don't see any of these strange noises being caused by winds. They definitely sound like someone is constructing something underground or actual trumpets. But everyone has their own opinion and time will tell, I guess. Brazil is also, again, still facing the shutdown. The news is not talking about it, and they're probably not going to talk about it. Obviously, I want you guys to share this video to the public so they can, of course, be aware and let the news media, you know, the fake news media, to let them know that there's something going on and that they should talk about this, because this is not good, right? I mean, it's sad. The situation over there is sad. There's like no gasoline. The presidents are fighting and making decisions. I don't really know, obviously, because there's not that much information out there on what's going on in Brazil. All I heard is that the prices and the taxes are going up for the gasoline and stuff. Other than that, there's really not that much, but a shutdown and people are starting to freak out.
So there's very few people on the street. It's Sunday, but it's very slow. So whatever we have is whatever we have left. And the prices are really high. Everything is high. Everything's expensive. So we're waiting for a decision. Gas stations closed, as you can see.
And when you inquire about it, ask people. You recognize that the real climate change scientists are truly ticked off, because apparently nobody really is asking them. It's the special interest, in my opinion. It's the oil industry, the energy industry, that are blowing smoke up somebody's you-know-what and telling them that we have to lay a pattern up there to prevent sun energy from hitting Earth. And what they're doing in there, it's now pretty much determined. They're putting the aluminum, barium, and strontium.
You what? We're forecasting a slightly above normal season, a total of 14 storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major Category 3 to 5 hurricanes.
What's the
And almost forgot, folks. The hurricane season. Yep, why not? Why not have a hurricane season in the middle of a volcano erupting in Hawaii and a shutdown in Brazil? And also, just to let you guys know, the hurricane season starts today. By the time that I'm recording this, aka Friday, June the 1st of 2018. So, yeah. So, again, share this video as fast as possible. Everyone must know this. be prepared, be safe, because this hurricane season is not going to be the same. I can tell you that for sure.
Atlantic hurricane season had 17 named storms, including 6 major hurricanes crisscrossing the tropics, wreaking havoc and chaos. It was the 5th most active season and was one of the deadliest and most destructive in recorded history.
Anyways, folks, I just wanted to give out my opinion on the strange noises in the sky. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share again. Be prepared. Hope you guys enjoyed. And again, leave me your thoughts in the comments on your opinions, what you think these noises could be coming from, or what they really are. But at any rate, leave a like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you again, folks. Peace.